Welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to delete all your liked videos on YouTube. So it's the same steps on your Android or iOS device. So when you open your YouTube app, as you can see, now tap on the bottom right corner, your library. Then as you can see here on the playlist, all the like videos right over here. Now, if you want to delete one of those, so you need to tap on the three dots right over here. And then at the bottom, you can see remove from like videos. So it will remove now the like video on your playlist. Well, unfortunately, you don't have the one button that you can delete all the like videos at once, but you can delete it one by one in your playlist just like this. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.